Pallavi. Hi, how are you? Okay, hi Umesh. Hi Ravi. Hi Avneet. Hi Indumati. Hi guys, this is Pallavi. Welcome to the show, the weekend slot show, and I hope you're having a nice weekend today. You must have like enjoyed. Weekend is a time for relaxation, enjoyment, and yes, this talk is also. It's not as much about when you say that it's like something that okay, it's just learning. It's more than learning. It's like okay, knowing something about the sex per se, sexuality, relationships, right? So उम्मीद है आपको अच्छा लगेगा आज का टॉक. हाय समृद्धि, हाय संदीप, हाय रंगा, हाय अभिषेक. So yeah, guys, let's start with the session. So as you can see on your screen, the session's name is talking about the talking to your child about the puberty, right? तो इसकी बात करेंगे कि प्यूबर्टी से रिलेटेड कैसे बच्चे से बात कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो बच्चा जो होता है बेसिकली इन इंडिया इट इज़ basically seen as 10 years is the average age when children start watching porn. 10 years, that's like very less, technically the kid must be in 5 or 6 class. And with the smartphone you really cannot regulate that what your kid he wants to watch or she wants to watch. You cannot really regulate all the channels because YouTube में कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि they throw up the search results कि liked videos or some popular videos, so you really cannot monitor all of this. And parents also, what they do is they are like somewhere they get relaxed कि ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, बच्चा देख रहा है ठीक है, बच्चा परेशान नहीं कर रहा है. We all are stressed out. We all are stressed out because of our jobs, because of financial pressure. तो हमें लगता है कि बच्चा एक added responsibility हो जाता है. तो let the kid continue the watching smartphone, and it's like okay. Hi Sangeeta, namaste. Hi Sharif, I'm fine. Hi Dr. Arun. Hi Dr. Gaurav. Hi Ritesh. Hi Chitranjan. So this is about how to talk to your child about puberty. So puberty basically क्या होता है कि there is a change happening in the body, and we are not able to, kids are not able to understand it what is changing, like for girls and for boys. So they have different changes. So it's best that you actually as a guys, I think I need to reiterate again and again that please use appropriate language. ठीक है, लैंग्वेज अप्रोप्रिएट यूज़ करें क्योंकि थोड़ा सा ये हो जाता है सेशन के टाइम पे यू शुड बी यूजिंग अ पोलाइट लैंग्वेज, तो मेक श्योर. और okay, so yes, the quiz is about to start guys, so please do the quiz. I'm waiting here for you and all the best. So चलिए, आई थिंक यूजर्स गए हैं क्विज देखने. आई एम गुड शिव. Hi Dr. Virendra, I see a lot of doctors joining and that's like oh god. Okay, great. बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. देखिए, किड्स जब बड़े होते हैं आज के टाइम पे there are a lot of things that somewhere we say that no we should not talk to it about our kids because बच्चे हैं. बट ऐसा होता है कि कई बार बच्चे ज़्यादा समझदार भी हो जाते हैं. हमें लगता है बच्चे हैं बट दे आर एक्सपोज टू अ लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके, सो इन दीज केसेस लाइक व्हाट कैन यू डू you want to completely live in the ignorance that kids are not knowing anything, or you want to actually step up and take the conversation ahead? सो जैसे लड़कियों के लिए होता है, लड़कों के लिए होता है, दे आर लाइक डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स एंड समटाइम्स दीज आर ओवरलैपिंग सब्जेक्ट्स ऑल्सो, लाइक relationship, okay, safety, then pregnancy. I mean, these are the things that both the boy and the girl are involved, but some things are women specific, some things are girl specific, some things are boy specific. So puberty के केस में क्या होता है, basically से लड़कियों के लिए होता है कि menstruation होता है, you know, that is something that is happening to them for the first time, and हम उनको बताते हैं कि ठीक है menstruation है, it happens, and you know, you really don't talk about much about menstruation, and sometimes they feel blood, okay, and then it gets stained, and then they are like, you know, they can be like made fun in the school. It does happen. So how do you prepare your child for that? How do you prepare your girl child to take those remarks, sarcastic remarks, funny remarks, in her stride, and she is able to take it up and still walk confidently, and in fact give a reply that this is something, is menstruation, is very natural to us. तो ये सब चीज़ें होती है. तो बच्चे से हमेशा बात करते रहिए कि क्या हो रहा है स्कूल में, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. बच्चे जब बड़े होते हैं, स्पेशली लाइक, यू नो, सेकेंड थर्ड क्लास ऑनवर्ड्स, they are becoming more aware, they are becoming more intelligent. So yes, you should first thing is you should start talking to your kid about what is happening in their schools. This is very important. This I also do sometimes, not all the times, but हाँ, हफ्ते में एक बार तो पूछ ही लेती हूँ कि स्कूल में क्या चल रहा है, नहीं चल रहा है. तो ज़रूरी है, बच्चा बताता भी है, उसको इनकरेज कीजिए. अगर कोई ऐसी बात है तो उसको डांटिए मत, समझने की कोशिश कीजिए, उसको प्यार से समझाइए, सो दैट यू नो ही कंटिन्यूज टू कन्फाइड इन यू. Don't create a fear inside him or her. Okay, the quiz is about to get over, guys. So, G. All right. So, how was the quiz? Quiz कैसा गया, guys? Let's comment. Let's see the comments first. बताइए, जल्दी बताइए, हम लोग फिर अपना सेशन शुरू करते हैं. टॉप स्कोरर्स, come on, let's talk about scores. Anyone, like, just to, okay, 50, Abhishek has got 50, congratulations. Arjun has got 50, okay, Anand has got 50. Congratulations to all the scorers and all the people who have attempted the quiz. That itself is a, you know, big thing, that you made out time for something that talks about the health. Okay, so great, guys. So yeah, let's start with the session, because as I can see 24,000 people have joined. तो जैसा कि मैं बता रही थी कि puberty जो होता है, it starts from, you know, for girls it starts early with the onset of the menstrual cycle, and for boys it starts late. So girls जो होती हैं generally they are more mature, okay, and why they become more mature, because they attain their puberty earlier than boys. So girls के केस में 9-10 years is the average age, you know, 11 years, 9 to 10, 11, I mean, it varies when puberty starts, with this through menstruation, development of pubic hair, development of hair under the armpits, you know, even the like the breast starts developing. There are breast buds basically. तो ये चीज़ होती है, and then there are a lot of questions also in the mind of the child. So let me first start with the girl child, then with the boy child. Okay, so girl child में क्या होता है, पहली चीज़ की menstruation होता है. So you know, you should actually talk about what is menstruation. So menstruation is a fertile period. Okay, so it's a biological period that prepares her body for reproduction. Okay, so you can just give that much you know, information to the child that it's a biological process and every woman goes through it. So there is no stigmatization कि तुम्हें menstruation हो रहा है. Even I as a woman, I as your mother also menstruate. I mean, normally, you know, mothers don't talk about their own menstruation. So first thing is like menstruation should be you know, taught from the mothers. कि that हाँ, I also have menstruation every month, and my menstruation helped me to conceive you, right? So it helped me bring you to this world, because it's more about preparing the body for reproduction, and you are very small, but you know, it starts at this age. And then you can also talk about you know, कि menstruation में क्या क्या safety होती है. Like, okay, if you get menstruated, and normally these days schools do stock pads and this, and say that you don't need to be ashamed of menstruation. Okay, so it is something that every woman undergoes, and it makes us possible to, you know, become mothers. Okay, so give them the idea that menstruation is not dirty. ओके, सो मेंस्ट्रुएशन इज़ नॉट डर्टी, इसमें कोई शेम की बात नहीं है. और इसको ये है कि यू नो, इट इज़ अ सिंबल दैट यू आर नाउ ग्रोइंग ओल्ड. ओके, यू आर बिकमिंग मोर यू नो एडल्ट. तो उनको एक ये फील कराइए कि हाँ, वो बड़े हो रहे हैं. उनको एक ये फील कराइए कि हाँ, नाउ दे हैव बिकम मोर, यू नो, लाइफ में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, अवेयर हो रहे हैं, राइट? सो talk about the positives of the menstruation. Talk even about the Kamakhya Devi. I would like to love, like, you know, every woman should actually know what is Kamakhya Devi. So Kamakhya Devi is a temple where the goddess is worshipped, you know, in her yoni, and the vermilion is applied on the yoni as a mark of fertility. ओके, सो बेसिकली वर्मिलियन जो सिंदूर होता है, उसको मतलब लाल रंग का जो होता है पाउडर होता है, उसको योनि पे लगाते हैं, पंडित लगाते हैं, प्रीस्ट लगाते हैं, बेसिकली कामाख्या देवी टेम्पल. सो यू कैन एक्चुअली टॉक अबाउट द, यू नो, इवन द हिस्ट्री एंड द, you know, cultural history of the India. So definitely you can give an example of Kamakhya Devi, and that's about menstruation. So other things is about breast. Okay, so girls start developing breast, and some girls actually have more development, some girls have less development. So then, you know, there could be a remark that a girl who is actually having heavier breast, so they can actually feel embarrassed that, okay, I'm actually becoming, you know, more visible. Like a lot of you know, boys can pass remarks. These things happen, that if a girl is having a heavier breast and someone is actually having underdeveloped breast, both are like extremes on the range, and they can both be targeted to attacks, okay, verbal attacks. So वहाँ पे ये बोलना है कि every body is different. Okay, there is no certain shape of a body, and you can talk about that. You see trees, you see plants, you see animals, they all are of different sizes and different colors. You know, that is what is diversity, that is what is the you know, it's like difference. And then it also depends on age. So there could be an age appropriate growth. So for some girls the growth can begin early, and then it can actually reach a plateau, and for some girls growth can become late, and they can actually, you know, it can pick up. So eventually we do attain a certain level of growth, but it depends on the period. Like कि कई बार जल्दी होता है ग्रोथ, जल्दी होता है, कई बार लोगों में डिलेड, लड़कियों में डिलेड ग्रोथ होता है, इवन विथ हाइट, you know, a lot of factors. So don't tell them to obsessed about the breast size. If it's like heavily developed, then you can actually you know, get them to dress in a cloth they are comfortable with. Like, okay, you can actually choose their clothes. If they are underdeveloped, then you can just say that, okay, it's fine, okay, your body is just growing, it has just started to grow, and you should not think that, okay, you know, that it will not grow, it will eventually pick up. So I, as a, like, I do get these cases, you know, of girls, like worried girls, because what happens is they don't even talk to their parents. Okay, when it comes to, I mean, they do get the signal that ब्रेस्ट की बात नहीं कर सकते, फादर से तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर सकते, मदर से कर सकते हैं, पर क्या करना चाहिए. तो वन ऑफ दीज गर्ल्स, शी केम टू मी आई थिंक अ ईयर बैक, एंड शी हैड दिस क्वेरी दैट Pallavi, I have not got menstruated and I'm really worried that I will not get married. And she was all of 10. And I was like, okay, why you're so young? So she said that in her family, she had an aunt, and her aunt could not menstruate. She could never menstruate, and then she could not get married because she couldn't become a mother. So now this little girl is really frightful that because she is also not menstruating, she will not be able to get married. And then I said that, see, you're just 10. Okay, for girls, some girls, even menstruation is like delayed. Okay, so it can again, like some girls can get menstruation as late as 13. So I told her not to worry, that this is something that is like, it again, there's no certain age that okay, this is where you can get menstruation. It's fine, you're still very young. So the thing is that you never know what children are talking among themselves. So please talk to them about the periods. Period hygiene क्या होता है, कि how do you take care of yourself. Explain them that okay, just check with the school. I guess that most of the schools have those sanitary napkin dispensers. If not, please ask them to carry an extra pad. How to dispose it properly. Okay, even keep a period tracker in the phone, that you know about their periods, because they are young kids. You really cannot expect them to keep a track on their periods. So sudden periods, okay, it is happening, so make sure they are prepared. Make sure that you know about their period cycles. Okay. तो और ब्रेस्ट के केस में बताया जैसे मैंने कि ask them to wear a proper bra. Like you can actually buy the bra that actually is comfortable. It's not something that okay, it's sticking, because they might not share that okay, what feels comfortable to them or not. So you should ask them that okay, are you comfortable wearing a bra? If not, then you can actually buy them a sports bra. And there are like camisoles. Okay, so there are some tops, like they have inbuilt support system for the breast. So you can actually use different kinds of bras that are available depending on the comfort level. Secondly, body type. Okay, so again, you will actually be shocked to know that a lot of young girls are becoming anorexics. Okay, they are suffering from anorexia. Anorexia is basically when because of prolonged deprivation of self-forced deprivation of food, or due to other reasons, you actually lose an appetite for food. Okay, so they don't want to eat food anymore. So a lot of girls, they are going on a speed diet, where they want to reduce the weight to make sure that they have those Instagram friendly pictures as young as 12, 13, 14. So you should tell them that every body is unique. Every body is beautiful. So you should not say that okay, you have a flab on your stomach, or you have flabby thighs, so that's wrong, because they can get mocked. They can be joked upon that okay, your body is like you are so fat, you're so thin. Don't say that you are beautiful as a human being. Talk about the person itself, like you are you are not just your body, you're more than your body, and your body is beautiful. You are able to do everything. You're able to study, you're able to travel, you're able to do a lot of extracurricular activities. So focus on the person, overall persona, not just the physical attribute, and say that it's all is fine. You should not be, because I remember when I was in school, and I don't know, somewhere we get these ideas from the magazines. When we look at the pictures of the models, we say oh god, they are so beautiful, and they're meant to be beautiful, that is why they are models. And I was like okay, I also want to reduce weight, because she's so thin and she can wear those clothes which I can't. So I remember for 14 days I just had dal. Okay, so I just had a pulse diet, where I was just having only dal, and I would tell my mother that I want to reduce my weight, and she didn't mind it. So you should also keep a check on your child's eating habits. Okay, what he or she is eating. Is it like something awkward when they're eating too much of junk food? Are they stressed out? Because stress is also leading to binge eating. So, and if they're not eating properly, so you should actually keep a check. Okay, and yeah, so let's talk about again, puberty also means that they can develop feelings for the other sex. So they do have these very healthy feelings for them, because they think that okay, it's love, and they really don't have much awareness about sexuality. But believe me that kids are experimenting with their sexuality. Okay, so some kids are even exploring their orientation, like okay, if I'm a gay, if I'm lesbian, if I'm bisexual. So we do get these one of my friends, he's an agony aunt in a newspaper, and he gets questions from 15-year-old girls who are exploring their sexuality, who already know that they are bisexual. So you can also subtly touch on the topic of LGBT with your child. I mean, I understand you will be like worried that oh god, like talking about it doesn't mean that he or she actually converts into LGBT, but believe me, that doesn't happen. I mean, that's just a fear. So maybe one of the opportunities you can actually pick is maybe when a news channel, they are showing something on LGBT, queer rights, gender rights, then you can talk about, okay, do you understand LGBT, what is LGBT, राइट तो उन एक जेंडर ओरिएंटेशन की भी बात करनी पड़ेगी, सेक्शुअल ओरिएंटेशन की बेसिकली बात करनी पड़ेगी कि सी देयर कुड बी डिफरेंट सेक्शुअल ओरिएंटेशंस एंड ऑल आर रिस्पेक्टेबल, बट it takes time, so you can always keep that on time, that it takes time for a person to know about their sexual orientation. एंड सेक्स वर्ड एज सच इसको स्टिग्मा मत बनाइए कि जहाँ पे सेक्शुअल ओरिएंटेशन की बात कर रहे हैं तो सेक्स वर्ड आ रहा है, उसको मत बनाइए. इट्स अगेन अ पार्ट ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी, इट्स अगेन अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर प्रेफरेंस, रोमांटिक प्रेफरेंस. सो सेक्शुअल ओरिएंटेशन बेसिकली ये होता है कि आर यू रोमांटिकली एंड फिजिकली अट्रैक्टेड टू दी person of same sex or the opposite sex. So same sex जो होते हैं वो homosexuals होते हैं, and जो queer होते हैं, queer basically are the people who are still exploring their sexuality or who think that okay, they can be bisexual, they can be homosexual, they can be, you know, so they could be like they are still exploring their real sexual preference, so they keep themselves into queer. तो ये आप बता सकते हैं अपने बच्चे को कि LGBT स्पेक्ट्रम में क्या क्या होता है. कैन जस्ट गिव एन इन्फॉर्मेशन, सो टुमारो योर चाइल्ड इज़, यू नो, he feels encouraged to talk to the parent, that because he knows that okay, his parent is someone that they can talk about anything under the sun. तो ये मतलब ये होता है. So apart from LGBT, then you can also for boys, it's again like, you know, some of the boys they do have this like okay, we want to have those sturdy bodies, because क्या होता है कि अब पिक्चर जो आती है स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर आती है, उसमें यू एक्चुअली शो अ हाई स्कूल किड basically who is a hero from the Bollywood, so he has those biceps and abs. तो लोग बच्चे भी क्या होते हैं, उनको लगता है कि भाई हम तो वैसे हैं नहीं, वी आर नॉट टाइगर श्रॉफ, वी आर नॉट वरुण धवन, वी आर नॉट सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा, हु हैव एक्चुअली एक्टेड इन स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर, एंड दे आर एक्चुअली 28-29-year-old men, एंड दे आर पोर्ट्रेइंग हाई स्कूल स्टूडेंट कैरेक्टर्स. तो इवेंचुअली अगर कोई बच्चा देख रहा है, कोई यू नो अ यंग मैन देख रहा है, तो ही young boy देख रहा है basically. So if a 15-year-old boy is watching student of the year, he thinks that okay, students can also have like, you know, chiseled bodies and biceps and you know, all the abs and then a very well built torso. Okay, तो उनको लगता है कि अच्छा ये है. Then they start comparing themselves with the actors, and they start you know, they try to go to gym, and it's like really unhealthy hitting a gym at the age of 15. In fact, I have seen some of the actors who are actually going on Instagram, they say that they work out with their kids who are minor. So I will completely I won't say that you should actually, your minor kid should actually go to gym. He can actually play sports, okay, he can actually do yoga. So there could be a lot of healthy activities, most importantly sports, but going to gym at the age of 13-14 is seriously, I think it needs to be you know, I'm certainly sure, I mean, I need to see that whether medically it is approved or not, but definitely not, the child should avoid going to gym just for making the biceps and abs. तो उनको ये, अगर कोई लड़का थिन है, बहुत लीन है, पतला दुबला है, तो उसको बहुत सारे लड़के कहेंगे अरे तू तो ये है, तू तो पतला दुबला है, यू नो, they can actually have a lot of discouragement. So don't say to your kid that you are still developing, and then you can actually pick it up. Like girls, boys also have their own growth. Some boys can actually pick up height, they can actually become very tall in short time. Some boys take a lot of time. So ये चीज़ें हैं कि आप थोड़ा सा अपना ध्यान रखो बच्चे का, कि उसको बोलो कि it can again depend, the growth can depend, you can actually have a growth at the later stage, and that's completely fine. Then comes the voice. So उनका एक यहाँ पे जो voice box होता है, यहाँ पे they actually get the hoarse voice. So you can just tell that this is again a crackling of voice कहते हैं, common language में cracking of voice, but it's just a puberty onset. So they may get, you know, they may get confused about why the voice is changing. So tell them that it's about puberty. Then again, growth of beard, mustache. So you can help them if a boy is not getting beard, again it is age related you know, development. So a lot of things can pick up different times. Erections, okay, importantly erections. So boys can get erections, they can get night falls, and they may feel embarrassed that what is it happening, especially for the nightfall. So you can say that this is something, it's again a biological process, that wet dreams, basically we call it wet dreams, and there is nothing erotic about it. So you should not be shameful that okay, you had a wet dream. It just happens that when you are sleeping and when your mind is again relaxed, and there could be some thoughts coming. These are not necessarily sexual thoughts. This could be any thoughts that can arouse excitement. Even the brushing of the penis with the bed sheet, तो अगर बेडशीट से भी फ्रिक्शन होता है तो भी एक अराउजल होता है बेसिकली. So it is not necessarily a sexual arousal. So they can have a lot of these ideas that they discuss among their peers, because parents don't talk about it. So they a lot of children think that okay, it's because of sexual arousal, but no, wet dreams can happen also because of non-sexual arousal. It is just a arousal. तो उस केस में आप उनको बता सकते हो कि you do not worry, it's a resting state of the mind, and you actually had there is some kind of excitement, okay, and that can actually lead to the release of the semen. Now boys can have erections during the day, even in the classroom, and then it may feel very awkward to them, but tell them that such erections are common, because it could be because of the climate, like if there is like more of a hotness around it. So, and then it could be because again like they are it just happens. So it's not necessarily that okay, I have an erection, this means I'm a bad guy. No, it doesn't mean. You just have to say that okay, you just have to be you can just wait, and it will automatically go away. Erection will automatically go away. ठीक है, तो ये होता है लड़कों के लिए होता है. देन एनाटोमी में जैसे क्या होता है, पीनस होता है, रिप्रोडक्टिव एनाटोमी होती है, एंड पीनस साइज भी कई बार men discuss, like boys even discuss. So you just need to say that see, it's all about, it's a natural body part, and you don't need to actually get into that, okay, get into those kind of discussions. So penis is basically just, first of all, tell them the right language. Tell them that this is a penis, this is a scrotum, this is a prostate gland. For the woman, tell her that it's a vulva, it's a vagina. They should know about their body parts so that they are able to communicate what they are feeling, from the concerned part. Now also talking about this relationship. So see, a lot of times kids do have these feelings, as I said, and some of them actually get they have this pressure to do something. So even for the girl, maybe the boy. So if there is a girl who is studying in standard 7th and she is actually dating a standard 10th boy, so there is an age difference. So now the boy is more mature. Now the boy is pushing her to have sex or to have kiss, and the girl is not sure, and she actually gives in. And it can happen vice versa also. A lot of guys or boys, young boys, also get molested, from maybe the teachers, or you get those stories. So how do you protect your child? So a very easy thing, like most of the schools have adopted, is good touch, bad touch, where you can actually tell that okay, which are your private parts. So you can tell that okay, for girls, the breast and the genital area is the private part, and even for the boys, genital area, butts are the private part. And so for the girls, so butts, genital area and breast for girls, and for boys it is genital area and butts. So you can tell them that anytime a stranger is touching you, you should know that this is a bad touch, because if it is, he's touching you on the private parts. Thighs also can come under the private parts. So you can again extend the definition, and this is what is good touch. What kind of touch would be good touch? So if like someone is like squeezing you, okay, someone is like squeezing you, or someone is like pinching you, or someone is like pulling you, something that feels uncomfortable is a bad touch. So you should immediately make this aware to your immediate guardian. It could be me, like as a mother, it could be father, it could be teacher. So ये चीज़ें उनको बताएं कि गुड टच बैड टच क्या होता है. Then see, there could be some kids actually have a tendency to explore their genitals, like they call it doctor. So doctor एक तरह का गेम होता है जिसमें kids actually check each other's body parts, that include genital parts. And lot of times parents like, क्या कर रहे हो, गंदा है ये, इसको तुम क्यों देख रहे हो, you should not touch. So kids at this age are very much curious about their own genitals. So you can actually tell if you see, if you walk into the room and you see your kid actually playing with his penis. So don't get scared, don't like slap him or shut him down that no this is wrong, ये गंदी चीज़ होती है, इसको नहीं छूना चाहिए, ऐसे मत बोलो. इनको बोलो आप कि this is a private part and you should actually, if you want to touch it, if you want to feel it, please do it in a private room. You can just close the door. And even when you as a guardian, if you are seeing that your child is inside the room and he has closed the door, please knock and ask whether you can come inside or not. I mean, see, it just creates a boundary. See, kids are growing up and they have their own boundaries. As a parent, you need to respect your boundaries. So you can do it and you can ask them that, okay, you can actually check, encourage them to even be comfortable in their genitals. See, there is nothing harm, it's their own body. I mean, when you're disconnecting, you're saying no, you should not touch, you actually disconnect them from their own bodies, and that is like, that has a long term harmful effect. So make them empowered into their body. So I think these are the small things, and then there could be some mood swings depending on age, that some kids do have mood swings, depression, anxiety, anger. They could display these things because puberty also means a lot of hormonal changes. So you have to be with there, you have to be a little patient, and you can also share your own stories of adolescence, how adolescence was for you, how you managed your own adolescence, because kids react incredibly to these stories. They want to hear their parents' stories. So आप अपनी स्टोरी भी शेयर कीजिए कि आपके लिए किशोरावस्था कैसा था, कैसा टाइम था, what issues you had faced. So for me, I remember as an adolescent, if I had a girl child, I would have shared that yes, I was very much uncomfortable wearing a bra. So I remember my aunt actually, she stitched a cloth that was like very tight, and it could actually, I started wearing bras only when I was like in standard 11th or 10th. Like 11th is quite late. So a lot of girls do wear bras in 8th or 9th. So again, it depends, like if your girl is not feeling comfortable wearing bra, you can actually suggest alternate. So do not push her into doing something that she doesn't like. So always share your own stories of adolescence, that actually encourages them to even come up with their own feelings and ideas about their adolescence. So that's my takeaway from this session. Thank you so much, guys, for your time today, and be educated, be the force, and stay blessed. Thank you.